I'm Tabitha Monaghan and this is the Indo Campaign Daily, coming to you from Tullamore, County Offaly. Fianna Fáil leader Micheál Martin was out on the campaign trail today with two of their candidates in this constituency, but it's the first time in decades that a Cowan family member hasn't been on the ticket for the party.
I have this situation. Next week, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, detention. Detention. And I really need this fixed.
Meanwhile, Mary Lou MacDonald is also here in Tullamore canvassing, but earlier on, Sinn Féin launched their immigration policy.
The Sinn Féin plan is a common sense one, which would safeguard the cohesion of society for all who call Ireland home, ensure fairness for local communities, decency and compassion for those fleeing persecution, and that would also command wide public support.
While Simon Harris was joined by Paschal Donoghue out in Dublin Central today, where he was confronted by a heckler.
4,000 people, 4,000 children in this country who are homeless, and is a direct result of your policies, and you should be ashamed.
The Green Party also launched their climate policy.
We insisted on a specific fund that would allow to support Ireland over the next 5 years to undertake the investment necessary to support families, to support farmers, to support businesses, make the change to become more carbon efficient.
You can follow all election 2024 coverage on the Irish Independent.